Welcome to Sharad B. More English School online lecture. Good evening, student. Yesterday we have found the four point of each equation of question number 6. Today we have to plot the point and draw the lines, and then we have to find out the solution of the equation of line. Okay, now see the plotting. Okay, because already you found the points. Now just have a look on the points. See, the points are 2 comma 0, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0 here, and second point is 5 comma 2, and third is minus 1 comma minus 2, and last one minus 4 and minus 4. Now for the second equation, the points are 2 comma 2, 5 comma 3, minus 1 comma 1 and 8 comma 4. So now let's draw the graph of equation. Now first draw the x axis. क्या ड्रॉ करना है हम लोगों को? x axis. Now draw the y axis. Label the axis. Write down the scale. One centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both axes. This is x apostrophe. This is the y axis, and this is the y apostrophe. Now we will write the points one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and below of it minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Okay, now draw the points. The first point is 2 comma 0. So x value is 2 and y value is equals to 0. So here the 2 comma is 0. Next point is 5 comma 2. So x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. So 5 comma 2 is here. Next point is minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. And next point is minus 4 and minus 4. So it is minus 4 is here and minus 4 is here. Minus 4 comma minus 4. Okay, now join the all 4 points that we have plotted.
क्या नाम है बच्चे का पूरा नाम बोलिए सैयद मुदस्सिर
Okay, now write down the equation of the line.
सीनियर में ज्वाइन की नहीं
2x minus 3y is equals to 4.
असल में
Okay,
इनका
it's
नंबर क्या
clear.
है वो
Now plot the points of the second equation. The first point is 2 comma 2 means x and y coordinates are 2 and 2. Next point is 5 comma 3, 5 comma 3, and next point is minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1, and last point is 8 comma 4, 8 comma 4. Okay, now join the all 4 points. Okay, student. Now see, the both lines are intersecting at point 8 comma 4. So the point of intersection is 8 comma 4. So that's why the solution of the simultaneous equation is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 4. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, solution हो जाएगा. Now write down the equation of the line 3y minus x is equals to 4. This is the equation of the second line. This was the question number 6. Okay, now we have solved all the questions of the practice at 1.2. 1.2 के all graphs complete हो गए. So here we have learned the method of solution of simultaneous equation by the graph. Graph से solution करना हम लोगों ने find out किया. So here we will write the coordinate of point of intersection is x comma y corresponds to 8 comma 4. So therefore, now write down the answer. The solution of simultaneous equation is x comma y full stop. Understood now? So here we have learned the second method to find the solution of simultaneous equation. Now we will use the another method to find the solution of simultaneous equation, and this is called as the Cramer's rule. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, Cramer's rule. Okay, so first we will understand the determinant, then we will see how to solve the simultaneous equation using the Cramer's rule. Okay, so let's learn about the determinant. Determinants क्या है? Okay, student, now look here. Determinant. Now see here, the 4 letters are written A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a determinant A,
ट्यूशन आता है बच्चा
comma B, comma C, comma D are the row, and A, C and B and D are the column. तो इसमें जो डिटर्मिनेंट्स लिखा है, इन दिस डिटर्मिनेंट the row 1 R1 contain the A and B, and row number 2 contain C and D, and the column first contain A and C, and column second contain B and D. क्या समझ में आ रहा है आपको कि जो ये डिटर्मिनेंट है, ओके, what is written here, A, B, C, D. Now the horizontal line called the row, horizontal line, this is a row 1. R1 means what, row number 1, and this is the row 2, row number 2. So horizontal line called the row, horizontal lines are called rows. Now about the columns C1, C2. Okay, so R1 contain A and B, R2 contain C and D, R2 में क्या प्रेजेंट है, C and D, और R1 में क्या प्रेजेंट है, A and B. And column C1 contain A and C, and column C2 contain the B and D, और B और D present है. Okay, so this is the determinant of order 2, because there are the 2 row and there are the 2 columns. इसमें 2 रो है और 2 columns है. तो such type of determinants are called as the determinant of order 2. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, determinant of order 2. The degree of this determinant is 2 because there are the 2 element in each column and 2 element in each row. Determinant represent the number which is A into D minus B into C. जो डिटर्मिनेंट है वो कौन से नंबर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, सी, A into D, A into D, now here it is cross multiplied, minus B into C, B into C. So AD minus BC is the value of determinant A, B, C, D. Determinant usually are represented with the capital letter as A, B, C, D, etc. जो डिटर्मिनेंट्स होते हैं उस डिटर्मिनेंट को जनरली कैपिटल लेटर्स A, B, C, D, E, F, इनसे हम क्या करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. नाउ सी, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट, फॉलोइंग डिटर्मिनेंट के क्या फाइंड आउट करने हैं, वैल्यू, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, वैल्यू. नाउ सी, A, डिटर्मिनेंट A is 5, 7, 3, 9. Determinant N -8 to -3, 4. Determinant B 2 under root 3, 9, 2 under root 3, 3 and under root 3. Now see their solutions. So for finding the value of determinant, we have to cross multiply the numbers. So here 5 into 9, 5 into 9, and in between there should be negative sign, 3 into 7. So this corresponds to 45 minus 21 is equals to 24. Here n is equals to, in the first column -8 2, and in second column -3 4. So -4 into -8 into 4, because here to find out the value we have to cross multiply. So -8 into 4, so this gives the -32, and -3 into 2. So here there is 2 minus sign, so minus minus will become plus, 3 2 just 6. 32 minus 6 is equals to 26, and greater number is 32, so that's why it is minus 26. So this is the way to find out the value of determinants. ये तरीका है डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने की. Now determinant methods also called as the Cramer's rule, जिसका दूसरा नाम है क्रैमर रूल. Using the determinant, simultaneous equations can be solved easily and in the less space. Okay, now we have solved the graphical method. We have seen the limitation of the graphical method, that in graphical method we cannot take the value of x more than 8. We cannot take the y value more than 12, because when we take the x and y value more than 8 and 10, then the plotting become difficult because of the size of the graph paper. ओके।
ट्यूशन का टाइमिंग है 12:30 से 3 और शाम का है 5:30 से 8।
तो यूजिंग डिटरमिनेट simultaneous equation can be solved easily and in less space. इसके लिए स्पेस कम लगता है. But you have seen in the graphical method, first you find the 4 points, then you plot the graph. So there more space is required for the solution of the simultaneous equation. This method was first given by the Swiss mathematician गैब्रियल क्रैमर. ये तरीका साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करने का ये जो मेथड है सबसे पहले स्विस मैथमेटिशियन गैब्रियल क्रैमर ने दिया. क्या नाम है उनका? गैब्रियल क्रैमर. सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द क्रैमर्स मेथड. तो इसलिए इसको क्रैमर मेथड भी बोला जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द क्रैमर्स मेथड बिकॉज this method is first used by the Gabriel Cramer. To use the Cramer's method, equations are written as a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन जो पहला इक्वेशन होता है उसको हम किस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं? a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and second equation is written in the form of a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. Okay, so a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and 2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Now here the a1 is the variable of the x coefficient, sorry, a1 is the coefficient of variable x in equation 1 and b1 is the coefficient of y in equation 1 and c1 is the constant term of equation 1. Similarly, A2 is the coefficient of the x in second equation and B2 is the coefficient of the y in second equation and C2 is the constant term. Here x and y are variable and A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are the real number. Therefore, A1 into B2 and A2 minus B1 not equals to 0. Now let us solve these equations. Multiply equation 1 by B2. We will get the A1 B2 x plus B1 B2 y is equals to C1 B2. Multiplying equation 1 by B1 2 by the B1, you will get the A2 B1 x plus B2 y1 B1 y is equals to C2 B1.
तो आप आराम से वर्कशीट लेके गए हो यूनिट टेस्ट की? तो अभी यूनिट टेस्ट की वर्कशीट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं स्कूल से, तो आप फीस का नहीं लेके जाएंगे?
Now see, here the derivation is not necessary to know. Now see how we will find out the x value of x. x की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे? बिकॉज हियर वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x and y टू सॉल्व द simultaneous equation. So this will equals to c1 c2 b1 b2 upon a1 a2 b1 b2 and y value we will obtain as a1 a2 c1 c2 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. To remember, let denotes d. So d consists of the a1 a2 b1 b2 and dx contain the c1 c2 b1 b2 and dy contain a1 a2 c1 c2. So therefore x is equals to dx upon d. तो जब हम लोगों को किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी हो x की, तो it is equals to dx upon d. And when we want to find out the y value, so it have to dy have to divided by d. For writing the d dx dy, remember the order of column. जब हम इसको क्या करेंगे, लिखेंगे d dx dy, तो हम लोगों को कॉलम के अंदर जो ऑर्डर फॉलो करना है वो क्या है? फॉर d a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 from this the equation. In the d, column of constant is c1 c2 is omitted. In the dx, अब देखो जब हम d की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, d इज इक्वल्स टू जो कांस्टेंट टर्म का कॉलम है उसको हम अवॉइड करते हैं, उसको ओमिट कर देते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं. एंड इन द dx द कॉलम ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट x, जब हम क्या करते हैं dx फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो हम लोग कोएफिशिएंट x के लिखते नहीं हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x? a1 a2 and this is replaced by the C1 and C2. And when we write the dy, the column of coefficient of y, that is b1 b2, is replaced by C1 and C2. उसकी जगह पे क्या आ जाता है, b1 and b2. Now first see the flow chart to find out the solution of simultaneous equation using the Cramer's method. The first step is to write down the given equation in the form of ax plus by is equals to c. ये स्टेप नंबर 1 है अपना, स्टेप नंबर 1. तो गिवन इक्वेशन को अरेंज करके क्या करना है हम लोगों को, इस फॉर्म में लिखना है ax plus by is equals to c and find the value of determinant. After that we have to find out the value of determinant d, dx and dy. Now using the value of d, dx and dy, we can calculate the value of x. Dx upon d will give the value of x and dy upon d will give the value of y. Okay, so this x and y value are nothing but the solution of the simultaneous equation. ये उसके simultaneous equation होंगे. Now see about the Gabriel Cramer's 31st July 1704 to 4th January 1752. अब जो है इनका बर्थ 31st जुलाई 1704 में हुआ and he died on 4th Jan 1752. Okay, so 48, about 48 year जो है ये survive किए. This Swiss mathematician was born in Geneva. ओके, जेनेवा के बारे में आपने स्टडी किया है ज्योग्राफी में, इसका नाम आता है. ही वॉज वेरी वेल वर्स्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स सिंस चाइल्डहुड. वो चाइल्डहुड से, बचपन से ही बहुत अच्छे थे मैथमेटिक्स में. एट द एज ऑफ 18 ही गॉट ए डॉक्टरेट. 18 ईयर के एज में उनको डॉक्टरेट का जो है टाइटल मिला. ही वॉज ए प्रोफेसर इन जेनेवा. आफ्टर दैट ही बिकेम द प्रोफेसर इन जेनेवा. जेनेवा में वो प्रोफेसर बन गए. अब हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 के. सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, fill in the blanks with the correct number. Fill in the blanks with the correct number. Okay, question number 2, find the value of the following determinant. Okay, now solve the first question. Practice set 1.3. Question number 1. Okay, its solution. You have seen the question. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct number. Correct number से क्या करना है, थ्री 4 2 5. Okay, now see, we have to cross multiply 3 and 5. So 3 into one box is given. So here what will come? The 5 will come. Now the negative sign. After multiplying the first and fourth number, there is negative sign. Remember this. Now 2 into okay, third number and second number to be multiplied. Now see, this equals to, now 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15. 3 5 are 15 minus 2 4 are 8. Now 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the questions. So what you have to do? You have to multiply first and fourth number first. क्या करना है, फर्स्ट और फोर्थ का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देखो यहाँ पे मैं शो कर रहा हूँ, यू डोंट शो. ओके, ये जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में शो कर रहा हूँ कि किसका किसका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना, फर्स्ट नंबर एंड फोर्थ नंबर का. फिर क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव साइन विल कम. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द सेकंड एंड थर्ड नंबर. सेकंड और थर्ड नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. अब समझ में आ गया, मतलब 2 और 4 को क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है, फर्स्ट नंबर जो ऊपर है. फिर क्या आ रहा है, फोर्थ नंबर. फिर सेकंड में स्टार्टिंग में क्या आ रहा है, सेकंड कॉलम का फर्स्ट नंबर एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम का सेकंड नंबर आ रहा है। इट्स क्लियर नाउ, तो ये आपको भी समझ में आ गया। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज फाइंड द फॉलोइंग वैल्यू ऑफ फॉलोइंग डिटरमिनेंट, फॉलोइंग डिटरमिनेंट्स की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो व्हाट आर दैट डिटरमिनेंट्स, सी द फर्स्ट वन -1 2 7 4, this is your first question. Now I am doing the solution of this one. Okay, so now see the first number is -1, so take in bracket, take it in bracket -1. Now fourth number is 4 here, so -1 into 4. Okay, after multiplying first and fourth number we have to write the negative sign. Okay, the negative sign, then we have to multiply the first number of second column. So here it is 7, 7 into 2. Now see, -1 into 4. One number is negative, one is positive, then you will get the negative answer. So 1 4 ja 4, -1. 7 2 ja 14. There is one number negative, one is positive, so it is -14. Now both numbers are negative. So 14 plus 4 is equals to 18. Now both have the same sign, so that's why it is -18. क्या है ये? Now second solution, second का solution. Okay, 5 -7 3 0. Now again, now see the first number is 5 and fourth number is 0. We have cross multiplied 5 and fourth number, 5 into 0, because 0 is given over here. After that there will be negative sign. Now first number of second column 3 and the second number of the first column is -7. So now take in bracket, इसको ब्रैकेट में ले लो। ना देखो 5 into 0 is equals to 0. 5 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट वी विल गेट 0. किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो 0 मिलता है. एंड हियर -3 into -7, 7 3 is 21 and both number have the negative sign, so this negative -3 into -7 will form the +21, because माइनस माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई 2 टाइम होगा तो क्या होगा, आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो 0 + 21 is equals to 21. It's clear now. See the solution of the third problem. The third problem है उसका solution देखो अभी. थर्ड का solution, अब थर्ड में दिया क्या है, फर्स्ट सी दैट. 7/3, 3/2, 5/3, 1/2. Now see the cross multiplication. 7/3 is the first number and the fourth number is 1/2. Now after that there will be negative sign. Now first number of second column is 5/3 and second number of the first column is 3/2. Now see here it is the multiplication. So 7 1 just 7 and 3 2 just 6. So now numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So numerator have the 7 and 1. So 7 1 just 7 and denominator have the 3 and 2. 3 2 just 6. Minus 5 3 just 15 and 3 2 just 6. Now see both numbers have the same denominator. So there is no problem in addition or in subtraction when the denominators are equal. So here this is equals to, now we will take the denominator 6 as common. So 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15. So here one number is positive and one is negative. So plus minus minus. 15 minus 7 is equals to 8 and greater number is 15. Before that there is negative sign, so this will be -8. -8/6. 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, तो दिस इज -4/3. क्या आ गया आंसर? -4/3. इट्स क्लियर नाउ? -4/3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या देखना है अभी हम लोगों को? 3. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग simultaneous equation using क्रैमर्स रूल और क्रैमर्स मेथड. कभी कभी क्या लिखा रहता है? क्रैमर्स मेथड. और क्या लिखा रहता है? क्रैमर्स रूल. दोनों चीजें मेंशन की रहती है, मेथड और रूल. ओके, नाउ सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन, 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. 4x plus 3y is equals to 5. Now its solution. Okay. 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. This is your equation 1. And 4x minus 3y is equals to 5. This is your equation 2. Now this is in standard form that we wanted, because the first variable, second variable, and then constant term on the right hand side. First variable, second variable, and constant term on right hand side. Comparing, now we will compare this with the standard equation. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2 with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हम लोग किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं? a1x से, b1y से और c1 से. ओके, तो कंपेयरिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 विथ a1x b1y प्लस इक्वल्स टू c1 एंड a2x प्लस b2y इज इक्वल्स टू c2. इन दोनों से कंपेयर करेंगे. देन a1 is equals to 3. now see carefully,